Hey, this is Russell with Auto Paint Plus. We're down here at the store. We're going to talk about plastic refinishing products. You know, there's a lot of silicone-based products out there. They're supposed to make your bumpers and plastic parts look nice. Problem is, they only last for a couple of minutes, a couple of days at the most before it all wears off. Either that or they're greasy, or they leave a silicone film on your car, and if anyone ever tries to do a repaint or a repair on the car, then they got fisheye issues and stuff like that. The Car Systems guys have a product called Refinish Restore, which is absolutely fantastic. There's silicone free, it's safe in the body shops, it doesn't leave any residue on the car, and it lasts forever. In fact, there's a spot on this van right here that we did over a year ago. It still looks great, doesn't wash off, leaves a nice film. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you a spot on this really bad looking bumper that has a whole bunch of different colors on it, and we'll show you what this stuff actually does. And I'm going to clean the bumper first before I apply the stuff. All right, bumper still looks horrible. So what we're gonna do, this stuff goes a long ways, so I'm gonna apply it first to a little sponge applicator. I like the sponge because it doesn't hold the product where a paper towel will absorb it and not let it go. The sponge actually lets you apply it. So it's just a thin film. Okay, applies super easy, dries quick, and it'll stay looking like that for a long time, for months. Like I said, that spot on the front fender looks as good now as it did a year ago when we applied it. So for cars like Chevy Avalanche, which has a lot of plastic on it, Honda Elements, those panels go gray and nasty. They're not shiny anymore, they change color. This stuff is perfect for being able to restore that original color and keep it that way and protect it from the UVs eating away at the plastic. So again, just let it dry, a thin film. This stuff goes a long way. That little bit I put in there, so you can drag that out across the bumper a long ways. You can see where I haven't applied and where I have applied, and the difference in the color. It'll flash off. You can see it's drying out here, and when it's done, this is what you get. Like I said, and it's going to stay that way. So as opposed to using silicone-based products, which are temporary, they mess with your car. When you take it to the body shop, the guy's going to be mad at you because I can't paint this, I can't tape on it because the silicone's there and I can't get it off. This stuff is fantastic. Anyway, that's what we got going for today. Thanks.